Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? My name.
I am fine. Thank you, beta. I am fine. Thank you so much. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, everyone. First of all, please join your hands and close your eyes. Let's do a prayer and then we will start our class. So everyone, join your hands and close your eyes. Okay, very good everyone, very good kids. So kids, before starting today's class, from now onwards, I will appoint one monitor of the class. Monitor, पता है आपको क्या करता है monitor? What does a monitor do? Monitor क्या करता है क्लास में?
Monitor maintains the class.
Maintains the class. Okay, very good. Yes, monitor maintains the class. He or she maintains discipline in the class. Right? Very good. Yes.
Monitor maintains the class. Monitor keeps books in cupboard. Monitor helps ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, so monitor do check homework of students. Monitor.
Yes, they also check.
Monitor keeps books in
दोनों साथ में मत बोलो. दोनों साथ में मत बोलो बेटा. दोनों साथ में मत बोलो. दोनों ही साथ में बोल दो. Okay, now see. So from today onwards in my class, I will appoint one or two monitors. Okay, one or two monitors को मैं appoint करूँगी. ठीक है. So you know what does a monitor do? But as we have online classes, so that is not possible कि आप बुक कबर्ड में रखो या फिर इन बच्चों को मेंटेन करो. That cannot be done. So monitor का वर्क ये होगा. Arav, please keep your mic off. मॉनिटर का वर्क ये होगा कि आप ये देखोगे कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट का वीडियो ऑन तो नहीं है. ठीक है. अगर कोई भी स्टूडेंट अपना वीडियो ऑन करता है then you have to tell them that keep your video off. बस उतना. अभी के लिए आपको उतना वर्क करना है. ठीक है. फिर slowly I will give you more work. But from there we will start from this work. Understood? मॉनिटर क्या करेगा? Okay, give thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the monitor of the class will be जिसने आज तक मतलब जो डिसिप्लिन में रहा है. Okay, नहीं वैसे तब डिवीजन A is very good. Everyone remains in the discipline only. But मैं सबको तो मॉनिटर नहीं बना सकती है ना. तो फिर आप ख्याल किसका रखोगे? So I want monitor of the class. Tough competition between you kids. इसे रखूं? Okay, so we'll keep it to Ayu Detroja. Okay, Ayu Detroja will be today's monitor. Ayu, are you ready? Ayu?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो आपका वर्क ये होगा, आपका वर्क ये होगा आयु, दैट आप ये देखेंगे कि कोई अपना वीडियो ऑन ना करे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो, and we will see that who will be monitor in the next class. So base, तो आप आज किस तरीके से परफॉर्म करते हैं, so on that regard we'll keep another monitor in the next class. Okay, चलो. So now we will start our today's class, and kids, I will take your attendance at the end of the class. So let us start today's class work. So everyone, please open your PA1 worksheet. Now see kids, in last class we did paragraph writing, that is paragraph on cell phone, and our this paragraph, that is early rising is remaining, right? That is on page number 7. Page number 7 in your worksheet, early rising paragraph, it is remaining. Ready everyone? With your textbook, with your worksheet, page number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now see kids, this you will not write now. पैराग्राफ जैसे हमने सेल फोन में किया था, आई विल शेयर PDF ऑफ दिस, इसकी PDF मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. अभी हम सिर्फ पैराग्राफ डिस्कस करेंगे. आई विल राइट पैराग्राफ हियर, ओके, बट आपको नहीं लिखना है, आप PDF में से लिखेंगे. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, ओके. So please write CW and today's date. And kids please, जैसे मॉनिटर नहीं बनाया है, डोंट थिंक आप सभी ही A डिवीजन के बच्चे बहुत ही अच्छे हो, सभी ही मॉनिटर बन सकते हैं, बट तो फिर आप अपना ही ख्याल रखेंगे, इसीलिए आज सिर्फ 1 को बनाया है. बट आई प्रॉमिस एवरीवन विल गेट चांस. ओके, तो डोंट फील बैड कि आज मुझे मॉनिटर बनने के लिए नहीं मिला. ओके एवरीवन?
Okay, ma'am.
ये सिर्फ आरवी कब से मुझे आंसर दे रहा है. व्हाट अबाउट अदर?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the early rising means to wake up early in the morning. Okay, early rising का मतलब होता है that is to wake up early in the morning. So we have to write a paragraph on that. Now our first point is good health. So we know that if we want our health to be good, so for that we should always rise early in the morning, that is we should wake up early in the morning. See, for good health, how early rising can keep our body healthy is when we rise early in the morning, kids, the air, okay, it is very cool and it is also fresh. So when you breathe such air, so that keeps our body good, that will keep our health good, it will maintain our body. Okay, so by that early rising helps to our body. Also, when you wake up early in the morning, and if you do exercise in the morning, so it will give strength as well. It will give strength, power to your body. When we meditate in the morning, meditation करते हैं जब, okay. So by meditation in the early morning, it keeps our mind healthy. So when we wake up in the early in the morning, the cool and fresh air, okay, and when we exercise, so it will keep our body healthy, it will maintain our body, our good health, and if we meditate in the morning, then it will keep our mind healthy. So that is for good health. So for good health, we should wake up early in the morning. That is, we should rise early in the morning. So for good health, rise early in the morning. Rise early in the morning. Now next, morning air fresh and cool. Can you make sentence out of this, kid? Morning air fresh and cool. मेरी आवाज किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रही है, ये क्या है? Whenever I ask a question, आप सभी तो you start speaking, you start giving the answer. What happened today? Yes, kids? Are you not able to hear?
In the morning, air is very fresh and cool.
Very good. Dvij, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, beta. Yes. So, well said, Dvij. So, the air in the morning, okay, is fresh and cool, or the morning air is fresh and cool. Both are correct. See, you can also write this paragraph in your own words. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि PDF में से ही आप कॉपी कर दो, जो मैंने आपको सिखाया है वो. You can write your own sentences by using this point. आप अपने आप से भी पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हैं. But if you write the paragraph by your own, just send photo to me. Okay? जो पैराग्राफ आपने लिखा है उसका फोटो आप मुझे शेयर कर देना, so that I can check. मैं चेक कर लूँ कि आपने जो लिखा है वो सही है. ओके? अगर कुछ गलत हो तो that I can correct your mistake. So for that reason. So yes, so the air in the morning, or the morning air is fresh and cool. So, as the air is in the morning, it is fresh and cool. So, when we breathe such air, it will keep our lungs healthy. That is, it is useful for lungs. Lungs means, do you know what are lungs, beta? किसी को पता है lungs क्या होते हैं?
I know, ma'am. What are lungs?
Yes, बेटे बोलो. जिसने भी कहा I know.
Lungs.
Yes.
Lungs help to breathe our nose.
Okay, yes. So see, very good. Yes, beta, very good, Priyan. So when we breathe air, जब हम air breathe करते हैं तो क्या होता है? The air जो हमने breathe की, it will go into lungs. Okay? तो हमारी air lungs में जाती है, and lungs, they are part of our body that are present inside our body. So that are lungs. So, and it is useful, and this air is useful. Okay, so and it is useful for lungs. That is useful for lungs, and then full stop. Now strength to our body. So as I discussed with you, so when we rise early in the morning and if we do exercise, yoga in the morning, so it will give strength to our body. It will keep our body good. Okay, that is power to our body. So it gives, that is early rising. Here you can write early rising. Early rising gives strength to our body.
Ma'am, can I write on my words?
Yes, beta, you can write. आप अपने आप से लिख सकते हैं. You can write it in your own words. But if you write, then just share picture with me. इसका फोटो खींचकर आप मुझे सिर्फ भेज देना. So that अगर उसमें कुछ करेक्शन की जरूरत हो तो मैं कर सकूँ. Okay? Yes.
पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
7.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now next point is good habit. So kids, can you make out a sentence that is good habit? Can you think some sentence with a good habit?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can
Yes.
speak.
Yes, you can speak, beta. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, early rising is good habit.
Yes.
We should brush our teeth in the morning. Ma'am,
Okay. No, beta, I think you misunderstood. I think अभी brushing तक I think that was Manashvi, right? Manashvi, brushing वाला आपने कहा, right?
yes, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am, I
Manashvi,
can
बेटा.
speak.
No, अभी कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Wait, Manashvi, see, good habit, that is they are talking about early rising, beta. Not that good habit that we should brush our teeth. Early rising, that is a good habit in that way. Yes, now make a sentence.
Okay, ma'am. We should wake up early in the morning.
Okay, so yes, so it is a good habit. So early rising is a good habit. So that will be our next point. Okay. Yes, very good, beta. So here we can write it is a good habit. That is early rising is a good habit. Okay, so our these points are done. Now no noise. So there is no noise in the morning. है ना? The atmosphere in the morning is very calm, very soothing, right? कुछ noise या कुछ नहीं होता है. Yes, Dhruva?
आप जो लिख रहे हैं ना वो बोर्ड के ऊपर लाइट पड़ रही, आपकी लाइट पड़ रही है.
हाँ बेटा, बट आप अभी सिर्फ सुनो क्योंकि आपको इसमें से देखकर लिखना नहीं है. ये तो आपको या तो खुद से लिख सकते हो या तो मैं PDF शेयर करूंगी उस PDF में. ओके ओके. So there is no noise in the morning. So the students can read well, है ना? As there is no noise, तो आप अच्छे से morning में जग के you can read. So students can read well. Can read well, अच्छे से आप read कर सकते हैं. And so as you can read well, you can remember everything. So every student should get up early in the morning. So students should get up early in the morning. Understood everyone? Yes? So I will share PDF of this, so from there you can write.
Ma'am, I understood. Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now everyone please be ready with your... Okay. Now everyone please be ready with your pencils. We will now first complete our story 1. उस दिन हमने story 1 start तो की.
मैम story 1 मेरी हो गई.
ओके बेटा, बट हमें फिर भी डिस्कस करनी है बेटा, ठीक है?
मैम I have done story 1.
ओके बेटा, ओके, सो देन वी विल क्विकली रिवाइज स्टोरी 1, ठीक है? तो स्टोरी 1 आई नो दैट ऑन दैट डे हमने स्टार्ट तो की थी, बट एज द टाइम वाज नॉट देयर, सो हमने बीच में छोड़ दी थी. बट टुडे वी विल क्विकली डिस्कस स्टोरी 1. सो ऑन दैट डे मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था टाइटल. टाइटल इज द नेम ऑफ द स्टोरी. ओके, कोई भी स्टोरी का जो नेम होता है
टाइटल हंग्री फॉक्स.
बेटा दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस कंप्लीट दिस, फिर मैं आपसे कहूंगी टाइटल ऑफ द स्टोरी, देन यू कैन गिव आंसर. ओके, सो हियर Once a fox was very dash. कैसा था fox? बहुत ही hungry. Yes. He searched for dash. So as he was hungry, food. Yes, very good. At last he saw a dash hanging from a grapevine. Grapevine.
Bunch of
Is that definitely grapes? Yes, so that is bunch of grapes. Very good. A bunch of
grapevine.
Now see everyone, bunch, here the bunch is a group name. Bunch group name है that is given for a group of grapes. Okay, so bunch is a group name or collective noun. Grapevine is which type of plant, kids?
Climber.
Now see, his mouth dash. Says he saw
Started watering.
Very good.
Started watering.
Water आने लगा उसके माउथ में. Yes, mouth started watering. He wanted to eat the dash. Grape. Very good. Yes, he wanted to eat the grape. So he
Jump and jump.
Stop, I say. बेटा किसी ने कहा था jump read नहीं करते. We read it as jumped, not jumped. Okay, it is jumped. Yes, so he jumped and jumped. But he could not reach the grapes. So the fox
Those grapes are sour. Those grapes are sour.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Devesh.
आपने started के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Watering. Started watering. But it is given in the help box. See. Sar means what, kids? What do you mean by sar? Khatta. Very good. Yes. So, yes, he went to Nimbu jaisa. Yes, that is sar. Khatta. Very good. Okay. Now, so we know the story. Okay. So title and moral is remaining. First of all, moral क्या होता है? Moral is something that we learn from this story. कि हम इस story में से क्या learn करते हैं? That is called moral. So what is the moral of this story? So the moral of the story is
Don't be greedy is always punished.
Okay, yes. That can come. Yes.
Reward
Okay.
is always punished.
Okay. Now see, I'll tell the one.
Don't be greedy.
Don't be greedy. Okay. But okay. See, kids. So here, from this story, we also learn that if we do not get something, अगर हमें कुछ नहीं मिलता है, okay, if we do not get succeed, or if we do not get successful in something, then we blame others. हम दूसरों को blame कर देते हैं कि ये कह देते हैं कि उसमें ही ये problem है, ठीक है? Like see, जैसे कि fox को grapes नहीं मिली, he was not successful to eat that grapes, okay? So what he did, he said that these grapes are sour. ये तो grapes ही खट्टी है, okay? So that is that when we do not succeed, we blame others, हम दूसरों को blame करते हैं. So that is one moral that we can write. If we do not succeed, we blame others. Okay. So that is it. Now title.
Work hard and reach your goal.
Yes, that can also come. Work hard and get your goal. Title, that is name of the story. You can write Hungry Fox, then the grapes are star, or the fox and the grapes.
The hungry fox and the sour grapes.
Yes, both are correct, beta. You can write any one.
Work hard.
Okay, done everyone? Done everyone?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, my moral is...
Okay, so see everyone, please keep your mic off. और जिसका done है, they write D, and not done, then write N. Yes, Dhruva, do you want to ask something? Dhruva?
The teacher is greedy fox.
What, Dhruva?
वो teacher में हमें लिख सकते हैं greedy fox.
Greedy fox. But beta, the fox was not greedy. वो greedy नहीं था. He was hungry. So you can write the hungry fox. The fox and the grapes you can write. The grapes are sharp, you can write. The hungry fox also you can write. बेटा इसकी स्टोरी हो गई है तो मैं इतना इरेज कर दूं. सिर्फ स्टोरी, ओनली स्टोरी. मोरल एंड स्किप.
मोरल भी हो गया मेरा.
ओके, मैं सिर्फ स्टोरी इरेज कर रही हूँ.
मैम मेरा मोरल हो गया है.
ओके, अभी कोई है ऐसा जिसका नहीं हुआ है?
मैम मेरा मोरल नहीं हुआ है.
देवेश, व्हाई आर यू स्लो बेटा? Okay, story 2. Story 2 title. Okay, what is this title of story 2? अब story 2 का title क्या होगा?
The hard and the hare and the tortoise.
The hare and the tortoise. Very good, beta. Yes, the hare and the tortoise is the title.
Hare and tortoise. The hare and the tortoise.
The hare and the tortoise is the title for story 2. Very good. Yes. Devesh, done?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay. So yes, the title for this story is The Hare and the Tortoise. The Hare and the Tortoise is the title for this story too. And moral, ये moral भी आप लोगों का remaining है. What will be the moral?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Very good. Slow and steady wins the race. Yes, very good.
Yes.
Slow and steady. The one who is slow but is steady, constant, will win the race. Yes, win. Very good. Please write it down, please.
Don't think that anyone is too low. Only think Don't think that anyone is slow.
Yes, that can also come. Yes, Priyansh, very good. Or we should not proud about what we have. That can also come, है ना? Rabbit, the hare he was proudy for his speed. So don't be proud of what you have. So that can also come.
Don't be proud what you have.
Yes.
Second,
That can come.
Don't
Yes,
think-
that is more.
don't think someone is slow. Think that
Yes.
all is faster.
No, beta, all are equal. You can say all are equal. है ना? All are equal. Yes. Then
मैम,
everyone. हाँ.
आपने ये एस एन और एस टी के बाद क्या लिखा है?
ये
यस,
STEADY. Steady. Done. Moral of tortoise. Okay, beta. Okay, kids, if the title and moral of story 2 is done, then please write D in the chat box. And if not done, then N. So that I can come to know किसका बाकी है.
नाम किसका टाइटल?
Story 2 देवे.
मैम, डन.
Okay. Okay. डन. किसका बाकी था उसका?
यस मैम, डन.
ओके.
डन मैम. एंड मैम, आई ऑल्सो.
प्रियंश, कितना बाकी है बेटा?
मैम, टाइटल
Of what?
टोटल स्टोरी.
बेटा, that I said. Hare and the tortoise. Okay, now kids, we will now start our grammar portion, that is on page number 9 of your worksheet. So that is revision of chapter number 1. Okay. Chapter number 1 was our sentence. So sentence is a group of words that has some meaning in it. उसमें कुछ meaning हो. सिर्फ ऐसे ही words का group अगर हो उसे हम sentence नहीं कह सकते. Sentence is a group of words but that has some meaning in it. When you were in standard 1, at that time I taught you that a sentence is divided into 2 parts. Beta, someone's mic is on, please keep it off. That is naming part and telling part. Okay. Naming part is the part of a sentence that tells us about whom the sentence is. Okay. For example, see, if I say, That tortoise walked slowly and steadily. Okay. So here in this sentence, the sentence is about the tortoise, that he walked slowly and steadily. Okay. So in this third, tortoise is the naming part. उसे हम naming part कहते हैं. Priyansh, now done beta. Priyansh, please tell me beta. Done?
Yes ma'am, done. मैम हमको टाइटल लिखना है.
हाँ बेटा. Okay. So I say that our sentence is divided into two parts, that is naming part and telling part. Okay. Naming part and telling part. So for example, our sentence is, the flower is beautiful. The flower is beautiful. Okay. So kids, in this, the sentence the flower is beautiful, ये sentence किसके बारे में है?
Flower के बारे में मैम. Flower के बारे में.
Yes. So sentence में ये जो है, the flower, it is the naming part. वो naming part है. Okay, naming part यानी कि जिसके बारे में पूरा sentence होता है वो. And the telling part is the rest of the sentence. यानी कि sentence हमें उस naming part के बारे में क्या बता रहा है. So that is the telling part. So here is beautiful is telling part. Thus, please keep your mic video off. So naming part and telling part. Now naming part is also called subject. Naming part को हम subject भी कहते हैं and telling part is also known as predicate. Okay, so that is in a sentence. A sentence is divided into two parts: naming part or subject and telling part or predicate. Naming part is the part, okay, that tells us what the sentence is about. कि sentence किसके बारे में है. And telling part हमें ये बताएगा कि वो the rest of the sentence यानी कि naming part के बारे में हमें information देगा. So that is naming part and telling part. ये आपको लिखना नहीं है. Okay, this is just for understanding. Now let us start our exercise. See, add a subject. Subject मैंने already आपको बता दिया, that is about whom the sentence is. So each group of words, here some group of words are given and here we have to add subject to form a complete sentence, so that हम पूरा एक sentence जो है वो frame कर सके. First, here see example is given. Dash heard a loud noise. So here a man is added. The man heard a loud noise. So we have to add the part, that is the subject to this sentences. Beta, please keep your mic off. Now Dash walked to the assembly. Assembly.
No student.
Yes, the students can come, the teacher can come, the students can come. You can also write the teacher. Okay. The students walk to the assembly. I walk to the assembly. We walk to the assembly. They walk to the assembly. Yes.
We walk to the assembly.
Yes, that can also come. Now second, बेटा आप अपने आप से, it is okay, you can write anything, okay? आप अपने आप से भी subject add कर सकते हैं. Now second, Dash spoke to the crowd. Crowd is group of people.
Ma'am, can I write Navya?
Yes. Dash spoke to the crowd. The leader. Okay. Yes, the leader spoke to the crowd. Leader spoke to the crowd.
The leader. मैम
Yes.
मैम मैम हमको टी के बाजू में
क्या हमको
टी के बाजू में एस लगाना है स्टूडेंट्स
हाँ
में।
बेटा यस यस
मैम
बेटा आप अपने आप से लिख सकते हो, इट इज ओके, मुझे बार बार पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है। डैश वेंट टू क्लास इन द मॉर्निंग।
They went to the class in the morning. The teacher.
The teacher. Yes, the teacher. The student can also come. Yes. Now
Principal.
Dash was, yes, principal also can come. Dash was happy for her student.
C. Teacher. Teacher.
The teacher was happy. Yes. स्टूडेंट है बेटा तो यहाँ पर या तो टीचर या तो प्रिंसिपल ऐसा कुछ ही आएगा। ओके
मैम प्रोनाउन नहीं लिख सकते?
प्रोनाउन से लिख सकते बट बेटा इसमें सिर्फ वन ही प्रोनाउन आएगा, दैट इज शी, बिकॉज हियर इट इज हर, दैट इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गर्ल एंड ओनली वन गर्ल, सो शी यू कैन राइट, शी वाज हैप्पी फॉर हर स्टूडेंट।
ओके मैम।
नाउ नेक्स्ट, Dash were relieved that they won the game. That they won the game. No beta, it is already they given, so we cannot write they again. हमें यहाँ पर एक proper naming word चाहिए. We need a naming word. And that is also more than. No बेटा, मैंने कहा pronoun नहीं आएगा. Here it is already mentioned. They is already given. तो इसमें हम
Player.
The player. Yes. The players were relieved that they won the game. Okay. Now next.
मेरा नाम ही रहेगा द प्ले वाला।
हाँ आप लिख सकते हो बेटा, खुद से लिख सकते हो, इट इज ओके। Dash won the race.
The tortoise.
Yes, you can write. The tortoise you can write. He won the race you can write. We won the race. We won the tortoise also is correct. Yes. Now dash. Dash made dinner. Dash made dinner. My mother made dinner or the chef made dinner.
My mother.
My mother. Yes.
My mother made a dinner.
Yes. Krisha Vashyani. Krisha, this is A class बेटा. What doubt do you have? अभी तो आपका क्लास स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ है.
My grandmother made dinner.
Please, Krisha.
My grandmother made dinner. मैम टाइम हो गया तो इसलिए मैं ज्वाइन हुई।
10 o'clock है बेटा आपका टाइम। कृष्णा 10 o'clock है बेटा।
ओके मैम।
ओके नाउ सी किड्स फ्रॉम 8 to 15 is your homework. 8 to 15 homework है आपका। Please write SW there and also open page number 13, 1313. This nouns we know they are meaning words, name of any person, place, animal or thing. See here sentence is given, mother is baking a cake in the oven. 3 nouns, मतलब कि इस सेंटेंस में जिसमें भी सिर्फ उसमें 3 nouns है, तो आपको उन 3 nouns पे अंडरलाइन करना है। पेज नंबर 13 बेटा 1313 page number 13. So this is your homework. Understood everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. What homework?
मैम दूसरा होमवर्क क्या?
बेटा ये एक तो ये है 8 to 15 के आपको ये उसमें सब्जेक्ट ऐड करना है एंड नेक्स्ट इज पेज नंबर 13 दिस एक्सरसाइज अंडरलाइन.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, so this is all about today's class. So bye bye kids, have a nice day, we will meet next class.
Bye. Bye. Have a nice day.